Namaste, everyone. I'm Manoj Kumar Singh, founder of Ruhe Mohabbat, and this is our Creative Talks Season 2. And today, our special guest is Charna Datta ma'am. She's from Assam. And before I introduce more or we talk more about her life and why she's here, let us get to know more about her. Jharna ma'am, kindly introduce yourself to our audiences so it becomes easier for them to understand and follow you today.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Monisha. At first, I would like to thank you for the bottom of my heart for giving me this opportunity to be at your platform today. I'm Chanaratta Kaur. I reside in a place named Dibrugarh in Assam, and there is a mighty Brahmaputra flowing across it. We are at the bank. It's a very pleasant journey. I was born and brought up in Dibrugarh itself, and before I continued my journey into my academic journey or whatever I went on, I began from here, then I carried later on, we will say. Presently, I'm also back to square one over here. I'm basically a teacher, but since 2017, due to some family problems, I'm in on medical ground, I had to resign. And ever since that time, I had opened up an institution named Torch Bearer, and we are undertaking counseling students, and also besides the regular academic classes, tuition classes, sort of. I counsel the parents also because there's a gap going on between the teachers and the parents and students. The children have become very hyperactive nowadays. So problems are there. So in order to have a better and effective learning outcome, I have started with that mission. This is to Sparrow.
That's great, ma'am. Before we move ahead, this is Creative Talks, and you are author, a poet. Because our fuel is poetry, and we'd love to hear some few lines from you, and then we will do our Sri Ganesh. Yeah, please, if you have brought something for us.
Yes, sir. So I would like to say that I was very lonely during my childhood because I was the only daughter among three brothers I have, and ours is a business family. So maybe loneliness has made me to share some words. I started to write when I was just in class 5, and I hardly have any vocabulary stock in my hand. But that was the old version, thee, thou, art, and so on, that we had learned in our English literature. You must be acquainted with that.
Yeah,
So some few lines I would like to share because that was a long time back.
definitely,
In
definitely, that
search
would
of
do. Yeah.
okay, in search of happiness, I look up for thee every morning and night. No, not even the room, nook or corner did I leave unchanged. I struggled hard to seal you in case I meet thee between the pages of my books pile. I see you from far amidst my friends and foes. But the moment I'm there, the art are gone without a sound, no, neither without a word, nor neither a sound. What lips I may be covered with, not to have here within. Just tell me once today what lips I am covered with. As with thee, I will never have a fall, and I will go to the core and get you once and for all. Something like that I started. I mean, that was the
No
beginning.
issues, no issues. It was wonderful, and as you said, that it is from your childhood, so it's not easy to recollect something from that back, and so no
Yeah.
problem. So you told you are a teacher, right? And due to some reasons,
Yes.
you
So,
have to resign. But before we come to that profession, we were having a conversation with you. I was having that, and you told me that you were in Mumbai also, right? You did some script writing. So can you
Yes,
talk us through that journey, being a script
yes,
writer? Yeah.
yes, sir. Gradually, sir, I became very fond of writing and I started to brush up my. I have a hand in writing. I mean, it began with In Search of Happiness, but gradually I worked more on it and I was a very introvert child, in fact, maybe due to my loneliness, but with my friends, I'm okay. But when I some family friends comes, I was very important. I don't like to use my voice at all. I used to show sign, which class do you read for? I used to show sign only. I don't know. And people used to mock me every time. And they used to tease me for that. And I was just the opposite of my mom. She was uh, she has the art of wearing her dress, a cook, very particular about everything. I'm just the opposite. I was very casual, clumsy, you can say, and very quiet. And also, my family members decided to put me in the hostel. So I got an opportunity to be in the hostel life, and that was the best moment I can tell you. And everyone should. But now, of course, the situation may not allow also. But I had a fantastic life over there. That was when I opened up and I was more into writing. And Shillong is known as the Scotland of the East. It's really beautiful and mesmerizing, and that helped me to brush up my writings even further. So
Okay.
I don't want to come back home because that is the situation of loneliness, and it reminds me again. After some
Yeah.
time, I feel like going back. So
Yeah.
that is the time when I had somehow I want to go. I also wanted to be an architect. I want to collect everything wherever I can get happiness. Maybe architect. I heard someone of my family becoming an architect and earning, and I saw happiness in that. So I thought maybe even if I can become an architect, I can. I did not have any much idea on that. So I had landed up in Mumbai and I joined RJ School of Architecture. Unfortunately, being an art student, I did not get in the science stream. I was determined, karna hoga.
Uh,
So that's why I took a certificate course in interior designing from RJ School of Architecture. I was in a paying guest there. That was the golden. Another opportunity had come for me when I met my roommate was a PRO, public relation officer in the box
okay.
office. So I
Okay.
used to follow her because our interior designing courses are scheduled for Saturday and Sunday. Rest of the days I'm free. So every time I
Okay.
got slowly I saw that maybe this is my work. Yes, I was waiting for this. And I used to help her in writing. So she was
Mm.
not that good in English and coverage and so on. So I used to help her out. I do other work. Unfortunately, next I left Raheja School. I forgot architecture and so on. And I started a mass comms course in Mumbai University. But
Uh-huh.
when what happened, that was the time when I was at the peak time moment of my writings and all. So
Okay.
and teenage fantasies, Arabian she every time we used to go for evening walks, late walks alone, splashing with the water at each other, at the tide, playing with the tidal water and so on. So and that encouraged me to write even more. I mean,
Okay.
so but unfortunately the civil blast took place
Yeah.
and you must have heard 91, 92, and I had to be back
93.
in
Yeah.
and again they started about लड़की घर भी रहती है तो शादी दिलाना है ये करना है वो करना है. So again that began. So I
Yeah.
had taken in a school. That was my life in Mumbai, but I really enjoyed my
Yes.
Mumbai stay, and I also worked as an assistant PRO like that. I mean, without any formal education. I mean, on that sense, I was
Okay.
just learning.
No.
Yes, sir.
So, ma'am, we are living in a time of COVID, right? So, how
Yes,
this
sir.
the past 2 years have been for you? Uh, Corona may how life has been, and uh, how you have been able to handle the situation of COVID, because it has changed life. right? Everyone's
Of course.
been impacted.
Yes, sir.
So let us know how you are able to manage things.
Yes, so COVID, of course, when we heard about the pandemic, it was a nightmare for every one of us.
Yeah.
And we are, I mean, even everything has halted. Not only that, my classes also have halted. And that time we are very much new to online sessions and so on. So I try to take it in a positive way. Of course, that was the time when I came across your poetry competition. I had joined, I had spent time, I really enjoyed. That also took some time of the lockdown. And then creative, I spent my time in creative works. And can I share one poem that I had written that time?
Yeah, of course,
Can
ma'am.
I
We'd
share?
love to hear. Yes, of course. Yeah.
Thank you. I had a conversation worth one in a million. Yes, physically I was maroon, but it helped to address the scenario of Mother Earth as a complete whole. Face to face, we did sit, keeping a distance of 2 or 3, and with a raspy voice, it did begin. I have come to bait a world which needs liberation. I am here to ensure a little justice to those poor creatures on verge of extinction. I have come not only to filter, but also to penetrate the importance of humanity, which has lost its essence in the process of modernization. I evolved to let people know everything is so temporary, and the best is to live and let others live as well. To make them feel the beauty of the clear sky, the birds sweeping freely by, to help exchange duties being monotonous rather than being monotonous or machine. Just as a cup of tea prepared by your hubby for a change, to care and share, irrespective of the status, caste, or creed, we do behold, just as what they are doing now. For a beggar or an elite, well taken care of and quarantined to save and protect them from me all. I will soon leave, but I do have an important lesson to breathe. Yes, I had a conversation. No, not with any human figure, neither a mermaid nor an angel, but but hold your breath. I had conversed with the deadliest virus and the talk of every town, as it in every lives it spells COVID-19 or the coronavirus. Thank you.
Yeah, wonderful, wonderful. You have
Thank you,
put
sir.
everything together, right? Every life, what they have gone through, everyone has gone through, nature has gone through a change. So you have beautifully put them all together, and that's wonderful.
So,
So let's move ahead now. Tell us about your family. Who are all there in your family?
yes, we are a family of 4 members. We are 4 members. I have 2 sons. One is
Okay.
26 years old,
Uh-huh.
and he's an HR executive at Sanjivana Hospital
Okay.
uh, in Kolkata. And
Uh-huh.
the younger one is has to do. I'll be sorry to say that, but I don't mind sharing. We know it is a teenage problem nowadays. He got addicted to drugs, and
Oh,
that was why I mean I had to resign for a statement and so on.
Okay.
Somewhere, we parents were, we confined everything. We are so confident on ourselves that we
Mhm.
fail to look at the other little ones. We're so busy with the professional life and
Yeah.
ourselves keeping us. So maybe I also had some mistakes. Maybe somewhere I failed to keep him
Mm.
away, or maybe to give him some knowledge about the outside world when they
Mhm.
needed the most. I had to go out for schools and all. But
Mhm.
anyway, now he is recovering. And one thing can I uh, share in your platform is that every parent, we need to talk to our children openly.
Yeah.
There should be no hesitation. We should be like friends. And this is what I'm doing now, because the parents are needed to be counseled too. We
Yes.
are so
Exactly.
bossy that some of the children, when they face the problem, they hesitate to speak up.
Yes.
And we can be the best guide and best parents and successful parents only when we are friendly with our children.
Yeah.
So
Exactly.
that is how. So that's
Yeah.
how. And now he's still in the rehab center, and
Okay.
he has promised to come out. He's going to give us high secondary, although he's 21 plus. But
Mhm.
I'm supporting him. Let's see what future holds. It has
Yeah.
given a really shattered our life.
Yes.
Now
I
back
get.
home, we are only two of us. Yeah.
Okay, so I understand that thing because this drug abuse has become a really big problem in India now, because especially in few regions of India, and you rightly said that parents need to take care when their children have started to behave differently, or they need to communicate things, be their friend if they need, because mental aspect is also now taking its toll on children while they are growing, increases the social media, the peer pressure and all is building up. It's highly competitive. We want our children to be best, and everything is adding up, and some people take advantage, and they try to then make them used to this, addicted to this drug and all those things, bad negative
Yes.
things. So we pray that your son recovers fast and is back with you guys, and he gets his life
Thank you
together
so.
and has a good
Thank you
life.
so.
And so,
Thank you
okay,
so.
let's move to a little bit lighter aspect. So, who is your supporter in your family when we talk about your writing? So, who is your
I can't
supporter?
get you, sir. I
Who
can't
is your
get you, sir.
supporter in your family when we talk about writing?
Is a supporter in the sense in my writing,
Yes, yes,
or in my writing?
yes.
Actually, my students used to inspire me.
Okay.
I must say that
Uh-huh.
my students really inspired me. And there was a time when I had to burn down everything.
Uh,
One newly when I came into this house, my in-laws, I do not get time. And ours is a Rajput family, and it's a love marriage, of course. And he's from UP, very conservative family. I wasn't born up in that way, so we had to adjust. Only time I get to write is at night, 1 a.m. That was the time after everything. I sit down to and I would be happy to share one. During my childhood days, I had a diary, and I also addressed the diary as Zan.
okay.
And I gave it a pen name Jan, and I used to address him as he, because
Okay.
opposite, I don't know what is that. And it is
Uh,
that diary also which inspired me to pull on.
okay.
And I request also, yeah. And this diary also inspires me to make the better out of myself.
Hmm.
But one fine night, over some classes, I better not disclose all this thing. But
Yeah.
I had to burn everything. more than 500 poems and skits and write so many things. I had to burn it down almost. So I advise anyone you should not do this, but it was on. I burned down because there was so much confusions going on in the family, and my husband was the one time before marriage, he was the one who supported me, and he took let me play in the open. I mean, I also bagged a prize that time for the first time, and that was the
Okay.
last time also. Yeah, I will share a poem with you for Vesari. But so gradually, when I joined school in 1999, as of 1999, I joined again after the birth of my children. I mean, so then that was the time when I got the right to write the notes and all this now. So I get a kick, I wanted to write something, and there was a lapse of nearly 10 years or something. I stopped
Mhm.
writing. So then ultimately again, I write it, I compose my own drama, I write skit, I film with the help of my students, and I make them play along the competitions. I compose song also, whatever way we can, in that way. And I make it. That was only behind the four walls of the boundary of the school only, and that is left there.
Yeah.
Then again, there was a then I started again. No, I should not lose this. I got an inspiration. I question myself, and I think questions are the biggest tool. Answers doesn't matter whether you get an answer or not. But I question myself, why I have to do that? This it's my property, it's my talent. I have to work on. That is all, and I would like to share another poem on question and answers that I had written. Can I, sir?
Definitely, ma'am. You can please proceed.
Thank you, sir. Yes. Question versus answers. Many a time I do feed my muddled mind with questions. May it be in the field of my profession or any encounter I face in my life journey. Some of them do not even have any answers, but I do question. Some answers are debate to come to fore, but I do question. Some others still demand greater courage and honesty, but I do question. Questions is the tool I've embedded in every answer, as it relieves me and aids my thermal mind. It helps me to tie my hydrogen-filled mind at the tip of my finger and energized to make a better me out of myself. Thus, I do question without heading for any answer. The only thing which make me realize the only thing we can change is to change our own self. And what we cannot must be triggered with an acceptance. I do pray for wisdom to differentiate the two, and success knocks in as days pass by, the ultimate answer to all pent up questions. Thank you.
That's wonderful, ma'am. So
Thank you, sir.
it is beautifully written. Questions are important, right? So here we come to some fun part of our section where I'll be not giving you much time. You have to answer them quickly and prompt. So no thinking, no taking too much time. Whatever comes first to your mind, you have to answer that. So are you
Okay.
ready?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Favorite pastime.
Writing and composing,
Okay. And favorite food.
favorite food, anything spicy.
Ah, spicy.
Anything spicy.
Anything spicy. Wow. Okay. So, uh, what is the most memorable moment of your life till now?
The day my first child was born.
Ah, wonderful. And which is the craziest moment of your life?
What's up?
Craziest moment of your life.
I can't get you.
Which is the craziest moment of your life?
Hostel life, everything that happened in hostel.
Okay, okay. What is your favorite sweet dish?
Favorite?
Sweet dish, mithai.
Sweeties. I don't like sweets.
Ah,
But I can do it kheer.
okay. You can do with kheer. Do not tell like that. Kheer, kheer is my favorite. Okay, okay. So, which is your favorite place that you have visited?
My table.
Your table is your
Sitting table.
favorite place that you have visited?
Yeah, coziest corner.
Oh boy.
I like to sit there and with the pen, playing with the pen, words, letters, whatever comes in my mind. Whenever I get time, I used to sit there.
Ah. And what is your dream destination?
Dream destination.
Yes.
Dream destination. Destination, of course.
So many,
To
I think.
visit
That's why you are
very,
not decided.
yeah.
Oh
To
boy.
visit something countryside, any
Uh,
countryside.
Any
To
countryside.
spend a night on the countryside
You took so much
alone.
time and you're saying countryside. Okay,
Also,
okay. Okay, no issues, no issues. Okay, who's your favorite actor? You have been into Mumbai. So who's your favorite actor?
actually, anyone who knows how to act.
Oh,
Nowadays, I feel everyone is as a joker, all
oh
old.
boy, oh boy, that could create controversy. I think there are some good actors. उनको बेचारों को appreciation मिलना चाहिए. They are trying, right? Okay, who's
Because
favorite actress?
actress,
Hmm.
myself.
Ah, okay, okay. Now I get it. Now I get it. Why everyone else is not good actor? Okay, that's good. Okay, so the last thing. Okay,
Yes, sir.
what is last question of this round? Okay,
Yes, sir.
so if I give you $1 million, right? What would be the thing that you would be doing with that $1 million?
First and foremost, I will buy.
You're again
I
thinking,
will
no
share
thinking.
it among the orphanage. I will share it among the orphanage, the underprivileged ones, and if I can get a lonely house somewhere, a flat and all, to sit and write and all, because that is I'm cases for that.
Okay.
Everything should be there. I don't have to get up from there.
Yeah, that's much like it. Okay, understood, understood. So you'll be distributing a part and the rest you will be enjoying, right? That's a good thing.
Yeah.
If your pocket affords, you should share. That is a good gesture. Let's come to the last part. Uh, you've been building your Torchbearer Institute, right?
Yes.
So tell us about it. What are your future plans with it?
Actually, my son inspired me to open up this. Once I lost my job, lost means I resigned from my job, and
Mm.
I'm sitting here. Students come for coaching classes. Now I try to talk to them coolly. I try to find out their problems, what problems they have, because everyone can have problems, and they share among their friends with whom they are comfortable, and those friends are among their age only, so they cannot give any proper advice. I don't say I can give, but the thing is that at least I can sort out some problems. I mean, and then so with those, I try to write and try to counsel the students, so that and try to make them aware of what is going on around that I had already acquainted and so on. And I talked to the parents, I counseled the parents also. And plus, one most important thing what we do is to children find their regular studies as imposition. They're imposed to study. And the situation is also like that. I mean, parents are also like that. So what we do, I used to take out some innovative tools, I mean, techniques, methods. And one to it is a piecemeal learning, for which I had been awarded also. I think you are aware of it. There's a
Yes.
Global Teaching Excellence Award for the innovative tools, I mean, that I had taken
Yeah.
up. And children learn up very easily. We also provide spoken English classes, personality development in whatever way. We are not formally trained or something like that, but whatever way we can, I mean,
Yes.
we
Yes.
try to bring that around. That's
That's
all.
wonderful. That's wonderful initiative, and we wish you all the very best in
Thank you, sir.
making that thing. And you're doing a wonderful job as a teacher. So now
Thank
here's a googly for a teacher. Okay, I know this could be very difficult question for you, but I'd like to ask this: who is your favorite student? All-time favorite student? I
Favorite
know.
student.
Yes, I know this could be a very tricky and very uh, uh, tricky question for you. For all teachers, it is. But
It
this
will
is
be
my
very
googly for
much
you.
wrong. Yeah, it is
Yeah.
very much wrong for us to differentiate. Each and every subject of my subject is important to me,
Uh-huh.
and they inspire me to work even better. So
Uh-huh.
I cannot differentiate anyone from
So
thing.
you have
Everyone
defended my
plays a
googly.
part.
So you have defended my googly. So guys, the teacher I have here, she can write. She is a poet and she is a good cricketer. See, she has handled the googly well. Okay, that's nice. So let's come to the last question, Jana ma'am. Uh,
Yes, sir.
what message would you give to our youth, and especially those who are looking to be into creative field, because you have been using your innovative tools which are focused on being
Yes,
creative? So
yes, sir.
what message you give to the youth about being creative and how to move ahead to plan their career if they want into creative field?
Yes, sir. First and foremost, one thing I would like to tell all students, even parents, in fact, that let them play their own game. To play their own game, they should be guided. I mean, they should be given the shown the way, but not what is suppressed for that, because children are much better than us.
Yeah.
So children are better than us, and they can do much better. Those suppressed child, I mean, they cannot develop themselves. That is the problem. One thing I would like to say, and another thing is that uh, be a voice, not an echo.
Yeah.
Be the voice, not an echo. You have to. Everyone has hidden talent
Yes.
in themselves somewhere or the other. May not be academic, may not be in composing something or something or the other,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
it will be displayed at the right moment.
Yeah.
So go as per the flow, go for as per the wind, I mean, and you will surely reach that.
That's a
And
wonderful
question
message.
yourself.
Yes, that's a wonderful message, ma'am. Thank you so much. And with that,
Thank
we
you,
will
sir.
wrap up. And friends, now you listen to Jharna Datta, ma'am. She has had life's ups and downs. Still, she uh, clinged on to the creativity. Writing, that was her, you can say, stick, or it was her guiding line which has brought her here. And now she is using that creativity and creative skills in the form of teaching tools for enlightening these children's and opening up their mind into creative field. And we wish her all the very best for her future. And
Thank you.
thank you so much, ma'am, once again for giving your
Thank you,
time
sir.
here, for sparing your time with us and sharing your wisdom with us. Thank you so much. Namaste.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Namaste.